As we're addressing the 5D world, there is so much happening in humanity because we have been arguing our side, our narrative, our plan, our ideology, our religion, our philosophy, our strength, our might, our love, whatever it is. All of these narratives that we're all fighting to kind of support our narrative. We're all seeing everybody's telling lies. Everything is like being exposed as being, we've been told lies, or we've been telling lies, or we've been propagating lies. The 5D is once we kind of come to the realization that that's where we are, and we don't say, well, what if? Well, what if so-and-so wins? Well, what if? Well, just what would be the best outcome? And we start to look at our future, not in trying to win our side over the other, but we all grab hands and say, what if? What if we just move in the absolute best direction for everybody? And no one says no. We just say, what if? What if this? What if that? And hear it out. Don't argue it. Don't say no. Just say what if. And then as 10 people start dumping down their ideas, the imaginations of everyone listening will expand. And simultaneously, we will move in rapid directions for the greater good of humanity. And that's 5D. And I think we have a choice. Which way are we going to go? Are we going to move in this new direction? Are we going to unify in a bigger perspective beyond any government or any institution or any agreements that we have? We just decide that we want what's best and we just kind of all start moving in that direction. If we don't do that, well, then maybe we'll recycle with another world war, and who knows. But that's the current perspective from a 5D, the spiritual quest.